Hey David, as I told you, I double, triple, quadruple checked the boosters for function, and one of the things I wanted to do, and I forgot to videotape it, is checking your brake light switch. Make sure if this original antique brake light switch works, and it does, and you will see it make contact, or actually you'll hear it. I've got the audio set so it makes the little squealing noise when it activates the switch. So we got continuity, and it activates at about 150 psi. Works great, which is pretty unusual for these old switches.